If you're wondering how you can adjust the appearance of schedule in Revit, this video is for you. Hello and welcome back to Archi Tools. In this video, we will discuss how you can adjust the appearance of a schedule, how you can work on different text fonts provided over here, how you can provide your backgrounds to it, how you can provide different types of line types to your grids. So let's get started. let's go and let's go to view and just create a schedule first of all. So for that, I'll go to schedule quantities, and let's just create a door schedule. I'll search for door, select door. Let's name it door schedule appearance so I can remember. Phase will be new construction because everything is made in new construction. Next goes selecting our fields. So the first thing would be family and type. They can be head height, level, width. Okay, let's go ahead and press on OK. So we have this many types of doors provided. So based on the levels, I'll just provide a filter because this is basically for getting to know about the appearance. So I'll just go to the filter and provide level equals. Let's just select okay, let's go with L2 and press on OK. So we have this many types of door here. Now, one more thing we can do is, if you require, I can just go to sorting and grouping, and I can sort it by family and type. And I'll untick this, itemize every instance. So now it is sorting by this. Let's just go into the fields and add a field for count as well. So by that way, I'll be able to know how many count of that door type is present. So we are done with the setting up of our schedule for a particular level. Now we are going to work with the appearance of it. The first thing which comes in mind is the font size and the type of font which is being used for the headings, subheadings, and the underline text. So for adjusting the appearance, you just need to go into the edit type of appearance. For adjusting the text, you can just go to this. So these are show title. If I just untick this and press on OK, the title would be gone. So I don't want that. I'll just select show title. Show header is similar to that because it is the subheading as we say it. So I require that also. So I'll keep it like this. Next come the title text. So this is the text size and the type which based on which your title is coming. So the text types are coming from the types which we have provided in our Revit project. So we have this many of types of text. If I just go back and just go into one of the views, let's go into this and press on TX. So these many views are present, and the same types of text are these same type of text are also showing over there as well. So if you want to add a particular type of text, you can just go into the edit type and duplicate, provide your type of text including that font. So I won't be going to that because I am assuming that you are already know that. Let's go to the schedule. So let's go to the appearance, and right now everything is in schedule default. Let's go ahead and select this. My header would be 3 by 32 and my body text would be schedule notes, working notes. Okay, all right. So you can see that I have changed these types and everything has gone. I don't know why header has gone. Okay, I have by mistake untake this. So this is the way how it is changing. I don't like this appearance of this. I haven't checked it working notes, so I think we can keep it at this one. This one is fine. Okay, so we are done with the fonts. Now let's provide a shading behind this heading and subheading. So for that, we have to just go on this part, and I'm inside this box. I can click on this shading. Now I can select my particular background color. So let's, you can either go by selecting from this part, and this is the type it is showing, or you can just provide your RGB value. So once you are done with it, just press on OK and it will provide the background for that. Similar way for this one as well. So if you want to have every subheading at once, you just need to select every one of it, go to the shading. Let's select any other shade, something like this. So this appearance would be something like this. Okay, so we are done with the shading part. Now let's discuss with the how we can provide the line types for the grids. So again, I'll go into the appearance. Now in the graphics, we have grid lines. So currently the grid lines are thin lines. If you want to change, you can just select any of the line types. So similar to the text format, we have various types of text which are present, and based on that we can select our text. Similar way, we have different kinds of 2D lines, and these all options are coming based on that. So let's select this dashed option for grid lines, and here we have an outline option. So I would like a thick border for the outlines. So let's go with the medium lines, and let's go with the stripe rows. Okay, I'll just first of all untick this. I'm also not sure how forward this is, so I'll just first of all not include this and press on OK. So in order to see any change, I think I should place it in any sheet. So let's select any one of the sheet, and I'll go to the schedules from top of it. Let's just copy the name, paste it. So this is the view. I'll just go to my sheet, drag it over here. Now you can see the difference. So my border is medium line selected. I'll just press on TL for showing you the thickness, and my uh, lines, inside lines, is somewhat dashed. I have selected. So based on that, it is taking the appearance. Now let's go to the appearance again, and let's select this stripe rows, and there is option for first row and second row. Let's select second row and see what happens. All right, so it is somewhat like this in Excel. How we do it, it's similar to that only. So it just provides a particular color to the one of the rows alternatively, so we can just have a judgment of our list provided. So if we want to change the color of this, let's check how we can do this. So I think I need to go over here. Yes, so you have to select over here. Now from here you can change the type also. So let's go with reddish one. So I'll select this, press on OK, and see how it is happening. So I've covered everything which might be related to the appearance of the schedule. One more thing, if you want to create a template, you can very well just set everything up, and you just can just go into the view, go to view templates, and just click on create template from current view, provide your name, and this all settings can be used directly to your different schedule as well. You need not to go through that same process again and again. And that's it. With a few simple changes, you can make your Revit schedules much cleaner and more professional. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Archi Tools for more Revit and BIM tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.